Hola, this is Kerina. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, and I just wanted to thank you guys for letting me do this haul. This is an ASOS haul that we're gonna be doing today. You guys have been asking me to do this for like ever. Guys, not gonna lie, I spent way too much over my budget this time around at ASOS. Is it just me or is like all their clothes really expensive? I think I spent over like $400 on just like 8 pieces of clothing. 8, okay? 8 pieces, which to me it's kind of like my wallet's like tiny right now. But the good thing is I managed to get some cash back on it using Letty Shop. So excited to be partnering with Letty Shops to show you guys how you guys can get cash back from literally like a gazillion stores on the internet. Like, no cap guys, almost every brand that I feature on my channel you guys are familiar with, like Shein, Misguided, Nasty Gal, Nike, Yes Style, Etsy, and like even Walmart. It's completely free and you can get cash back using the websites, the mobile app, and the browser extension. So there's many different ways to go about doing it. Okay, so all I did was create an account on Letty Shops, choose the store I want to shop at. So for this round, I picked ASOS, and I checked out everything I wanted to buy, and then the cashback is automatically calculated from my order and then credited into my account. So this is done within 24 hours of placing my order. And then once the money's in your account, all you do is you choose your payout anytime via PayPal. So Letty Shops right now has about 12.5% cashback for ASOS. So that means for every $100 you spend on ASOS, you can get $12 back, which honestly is like, why not? It's like free money, right? Check the link in the description box right now so you can get a free premium account. That means you can get an additional 30% cashback rate for the first week. Okay, with that said, let's jump into the haul and you guys can let me know whether or not my money is well spent. $400 for 8 items on ASOS. You guys tell me. Who likes the butterflies in my hair, you guys? I tried to like make them even, but they're like uneven AF. But you know what? I think they look really cute and they look really Y2K. And like, I'm the queen of not acting my own age. I'm gonna try and do some like ASMR things. Okay, so first up we have this, I want to call it like a collared sweater. It's giving me major like college style preppy vibe, similar to like what a frat boy would wear. You know, if I was a frat boy, I would be living in this sweatshirt. Okay, so this sweatshirt is from a brand called Daisy Street, which sounds really cute. It's a brand based in the UK, I believe. Everything is made in the UK. Haven't heard of them previously, but really loving their styles. They are also pretty affordable. Well, much more affordable than everything else I got in this haul. Yeah, this one I got in the size US 4, and honestly it fits like a true US 4, but I was hoping it would be a little bit more oversized, kind of like a boyfriendish fit, but it's not. So it's very true like slim fit US 4, I would say. I think it would definitely be a lot cuter if you go like 1 or even 2 sizes up. Get the really like trendy oversized fit, pairing it with a tennis skirt because I love my tennis skirts, as you guys all know by now. Have I ever played tennis? No. Do I plan on playing tennis ever? No. But will I keep wearing tennis skirts? You betcha I would. It is so adorable. Oh my god. Anyway, I think I'm gonna get on a Depop haul pretty soon because a lot of you have been asking where I got this. Stay tuned for that. Okay guys, next up I got this Converse dress from ASOS. The price wasn't too bad. It was $40 Canadian and I got it in size extra small. By the way, all the links and prices of whatever I got in this haul will be linked in the description box down below. So make sure you check it out if you're interested in anything that you see. I'm not feeling this dress, to be honest. I mean, I get that it's a tank dress. It's supposed to be like a sporty, active kind of vibe. I'm feeling neither sporty nor active in this dress. This dress kind of feels like your typical ribbed dress, but it has a really bad fit. I'm not sure if it's trying to go for that like relaxed fit, but I think it fits me really awkwardly around the waist, and even at my thigh area, it's not like a complete like flush fit. It's more of like a loosey-goosey type of fit around my thighs. And then this part here, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but this area comes really high up. So if you have, you know, like slightly bigger or thicker arms, then this would feel really uncomfortable for you. It doesn't feel premium, even though it's from a sporty brand. Yeah, don't see myself playing any kind of sports with this. The only sport I see myself doing in this dress is preventing it from riding up. Gotta say though, this cardigan, even though it's not from ASOS, okay, just let me go on a tangent for a little bit because I freaking love this cardigan, okay? Let me give you a little hint where it's from. Can you see? Okay, whoever can see this, oh my god, let me know in the description box if you can see where this is from. I don't know why I'm being so mysterious, you guys. It's because I have no mystery in my real life. This cardigan will be in my Shein haul that's coming next week, so stay tuned. Unofficially taking requests for what you guys want me to eat during my hauls. You know what? Spice things up a little. Get it? I mean, if you guys are into like ASMR, I can like do a bit of both. You know what I mean? Okay, next up I got this pair of straight-leg denim from River Island. I think River Island is also a UK brand, and ASOS is one of the only ways that I'm able to get it because I live in Canada and it's so hard to get like European brands when you're in Canada. I thank ASOS for that. The actual item, I'm not too sure. This is very high-waisted. All I know is it looks fantastical on the model, on the website. I'm gonna put the picture right here, which totally enticed me to get it. I can tell it's made from like a really premium type of denim because it's extremely rigid, okay? It's the type of denim that you definitely have to break into. Not saying that's a bad thing. A lot of my Revolve jeans or like higher end jeans, especially Levi's jeans, feel like cardboard when you first wear them. Definitely kind of like that 5 marshmallow situation where like the first few times will feel like and then, you know, later on it starts feeling great. Maybe if I wear this more, it would start getting more comfortable. I'm sure of that, and it's definitely going to be more resilient in the wash. But I'm not a fan of how it's cropped. So I think for me, it comes down to about a little bit above my ankle, which is the style itself. I don't know, I'm just not digging it. I think it's like the style and the trend isn't very 2020. I mean, maybe if you're going for more like a classic cropped denim look, then this one would be perfect for you. I do want to just point out that I think my top and my bottom right now matches perfectly. I'm not gonna go into in detail because this top is not from ASOS, it's from Shein, but honestly, I am so blown away. You guys will see more in the Shein haul. This next outfit I freaking love. Okay, so this is an Adidas oversized fit sweatshirt. So even though it looks super duper oversized on me, this is a size extra small, which is their smallest size. I remember when I was checking it out on ASOS, I was debating whether to get the extra small and the small, and before I know it, I refreshed the page and bam, small was already gone. So I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna take the extra small before anyone else does, and now it's sold out. I'm not sure if they're restocking it, so if you're interested in this, make sure you check the description box and the link down below. Definitely highly suggest this. You guys all know, I don't have to tell you, I'm a giant fan of sweatshirt and tennis skirts and collared shirts. Honestly, it's like all I'm into. A sweatshirt is pretty much an essential when it comes to like fall items and winter items. So yeah, this one is definitely on my list. It's so cute. It's like a nudish pinkish salmon-y color. Has this like little Adidas logo here. It's made of like rose gold pinkish silverish thread. So it's really sparkly. And the size here also has these 3 stripes down the shoulders onto the sleeves all the way down here. It is thick, you guys. It's chunky, perfectly oversized. It's perfect to go with all of your fall outfits. Highly suggest this. It was $87 Canadian when I bought it, which is kind of pricey in my opinion, but you know what? If you use Lady Shops, you get like a portion of that back anyway. For anyone who's curious, the inner color white shirt looks like this. It's actually like a white collared tank top. I feel like half scandalous, half sporty in this outfit. What do you guys think? Okay guys, next up we have this really gorgeous white colored knitted top. This is from ASOS's own brand, which I believe is ASOS Design, and I got in a size 2, which is supposed to be an extra small, I believe. And can you guys hear me over all the crunching of the seaweed wrappers? Time for another seaweed snack. Honestly, I've just been binging so much K-dramas lately. I have to eat something like Korean at least once a day. I even got my own like barbecue grill to make my own Korean barbecue, but you know what? It tastes really weird. It doesn't taste the same. Freaking love this top, you guys. Again, it has one of those collars that are like a collared sweatshirt. but this color go like all the way up. You know what I mean? Like get it to your eye if you want to. Just like zip it up all the way, which is perfect for winter if you think about it. Wear this, it like doubles as a face mask. Okay, so this is $64, which, you know, if you ask me, is kind of steep for a sweater like this. Not sure about the value itself, considering it's not any like, you know, like super well-known brand. So I'm still on the fence of whether I should keep it or whether I should return it back to ASOS. Let me know what you guys think of this sweater. I really am on the fence about it. I mean, I love the design and everything. I just don't know if it's a good value, you know, 64 bucks. I'm so sorry about the construction. I don't know what's with my neighborhood today. Like everyone just decides to come out and like do their stuff. So next we have this Levi's super high-rise flared jeans. Honestly, I have never found a pair of Levi's jeans that fit me in my legs and my waist this well as these pair of jeans. To think that it was just like pure luck that I scored these. This is in the size 26 times 32, which I think I can even size down a little bit and go for like a 25. I can definitely see this shrinking a little bit if you just take it to the wash like once or twice and put it in the dryer on hot. This fits me so well, you guys. It has that like super rigid structure, just like the River Island one before. It says a Levi's Premium. Is there a difference between Levi's and Levi's Premium, you guys? Does anyone know the difference? Honestly, love the fit. It gets super high rise. Super duper high rise. Oh, it's called a rib cage flare, so it goes all the way up to your rib cage. The length is also perfect for me. I'm 5'7" by the way, and the hem of these jeans are just perfect for the length of my leg. So definitely suggest these if you can get your hands on it. I know it's a little bit pricey. It's a little bit over $100, but honestly, totally worth it. And you know, if you keep these around for like 5 or 10 years, you can even sell them for vintage. Oh, I'm back again. Just wanted to show you guys this bag because I know you guys will be asking me. This bag is also from Depop. It's a pink Nike bag. I'm not sure whether or not it is authentic. It has a Nike tag on it. So, I mean, I'm not too sure. I just got it secondhand from Depop. Also, coincidentally, my skirt is also really cute paired with this top. I just feel the need to point that out. Juice break. Just took one of my toddler's juice box. Blah. I don't like this one. Next up, I got another cardigan. So this is a pinkish, thin-ish, perfect for fall cardigan. It's also from the brand Daisy Street, which is the same brand as the first sweatshirt we have here. Remember this one? I don't know why on their site they call this a pastel pink cardigan. It might look pastel in the camera right now, but I promise you in real life, definitely more of like a vibrant pink. It's very stretchy, it's very comfortable to be in, but I'm not sure if I'm actually going to keep this because let's face it, you can get like better cardigans, like cheaper cardigans like this too, like from Shein. So I'm not sure if this is unique enough to justify the price tag and also for me to keep. What do you guys think? Should I keep it? But anyway, it's just giving me major Mean Girls vibes, you know, like Gretchen Wieners would wear this tennis skirt. Take a wild guess where it's from. It's not that hard, you guys. I'm not gonna tell you. You guys might see it in one of my later hauls. Okay, so the last thing I got from ASOS was this striped cropped shirt, which I thought was really unique, and the model again made it look really good. This is also from ASOS Design and it's $47, which telling you, I'm having mixed feelings. After shopping at Shein, it seems like I can't go back to these like generic brands having like over $20 a piece. So basically it has like a really bad sleeve design almost all the way down to the hem here. Do you guys see? This hem is a raw hem. It seems like someone just took a pair of scissors and snipped it across. It has kind of like that boyfriendy dad shirt almost, but really trendily cropped right over here. So it's still really boxy if you just like open your arms like that. I don't know why I think of like a flying squirrel. I don't know. I'm also having mixed feelings about this one. What do you guys think? I definitely think it can be trendy if you pair it with like a camisole under and then with like high-rise jeans. I think that's cute. I'm going for like a more preppy look again, so I'm pairing it with a gray skirt. I know this gray skirt looks hell wrinkly and uneven, but you know what? That is because I haven't taken the time to like steam out all the wrinkles and make it like smooth as a baby. A lot of you guys are always asking me like, how come like when I receive my items in Shein it looks like shit? And I'm like, honestly, it's because You haven't taken 2 hours out of your day to steam every single piece of the clothing that you got at Shein. Honestly, if you just take the time to steam your clothing, I promise you it's gonna look 10 times better than when it first came. I apologize if I seem kind of off in this video to you guys. Honestly, it's not the best day. I think my period is coming, so I'm like really on edge. And like, it's like so damn hot in here and I'm filming fall and winter looks. Oh, by the way, you guys, I wanted to say that ASOS is also charging me for customs and duties. As always, I don't know why it's occurring to me right now to tell you guys this. Those of you who made it to the end deserve a little surprise. So yeah, this piece of information is really crucial. If it's under $20, then you won't get charged any additional custom fees from your order. But if it's over $120, like right here, I have over $400 worth of stuff, ASOS charged me over $100 for customs, which honestly, if you think about it, is like over 25%. Why they gotta play me like that? I just don't understand. I guess I can dispute that, but like, I will definitely be sending some stuff back too. So it's kind of like I paid that duties in vain, you know what I mean? Okay, so that is it for my ASOS haul. In case ASOS decides to charge you any like custom fees for your order, just know that if you shop with Lottie shops, know that you're able to get cashback, so that kind of like balances things a little bit, hopefully. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, I love you all and stay happy. It's frat well. I promise I'm not drunk. I promise. Okay, yeah, what was I talking about again?